Welcome to DIYauto.com. This video will introduce some basic features and show you how to get started on the site. Start by registering an account, then log into your profile. Click the feed icon, then the My Profile button to view your profile. Click My Rides to view your rides and the pencil icon to edit your ride. To add a new ride, simply click the button at the bottom, fill out the information, and hit Submit. DIYauto.com is the place to share your ride, start your build thread, and showcase your DIYs for fellow enthusiasts. The site was built for gearheads by gearheads, so we made it easy. You can rate and comment on your favorite posts. Click the Post button on the top to add new content such as photos, videos, DIYs, or build threads. After posting, you can share to all your favorite social networks. DIYauto.com is a great tool for gearheads to show off their passion and knowledge of the automobile. Join now and share your story.